Hello everyone, welcome back to Neil Explains. Today we have very tricky question. Many find it tricky, but we will solve it in a simple way. Simple and step by step. So everybody understand what problem is. So as we can see, the question is 4 plus 18 divided by parenthesis 3 into 3, or we can say bracket closed. So according to PEMDAS, do you know what PEMDAS is? Parenthesis, exponential, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So here, first we will solve for this part because we have first priority of parenthesis. So we will write like this: 4 plus 18 divided by 3 into 3. What will be answer? 3 into 3, that is 9. So now it will become a simple question when a 5th grade student can solve this. Now with plus division or addition and division, we prioritize division part. Okay, this one. So here next step, 8 plus 18 divided on 9, that is 9 times 9 into 2, that is equal to 18. So here answer is 4 plus 2. Now we add 4 and 2, that will become 6. So here answer is 6. And if you want to go for 0 to hero series, go and check out our books and also comment your answer and I will shout out your answer. And keep watching, keep growing, and keep learning.